Farm animals, the most ignored of the famous shelter in Manta, Ecuador. Several have passed through this place, but very few have survived. At Jefferson Rescata Shelter, we have seen some pigs, cows and bulls. Of all the goats they have had, only one has survived, which they named Canela. 2 horses, which are missing. They have never given any explanation of what happened to them. Donkeys. Pluton was the most famous of these donkeys. And when he died, they didn't give him the importance he deserved. The news was given many months after his death. And even a rabbit. And Helen, the one who says that she is studying veterinary medicine, showed total ignorance towards these animals. She was afraid of him and she had no idea of the food that she should give him. In addition to farm animals, they have also rescued some wild animals who, without knowing anything about their care, used them to make their videos. The appropriate conditions for each species must be met to ensure the welfare of farm animals. And we believe that this shelter does not meet these conditions. Reviewing some aspects, such as food, water availability, environmental characteristics, or the facilities where the animals live, it is evident that not all of them would pass an inspection. This is Canela today. As we said before, it is the only goat that has survived of all those that have passed through this shelter. One of its horns is broken and stained with red paint from rubbing too hard against one of the doors. Her bleeding is pretty weak. This is Milan, another survivor who is lonely and sad. According to them, she was pregnant when she arrived at the shelter. We believe that she lost her baby after going through a lot of stress the day several people gave her a bath and where she almost slipped on the soap. They were not careful with her. They began to play with water while Milan ran away scared. We raise our voices for all these farm animals, forgotten and ignored in this shelter. All this happens at Jefferson Rescata Shelter in Manta, Ecuador.